Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from Margate, Florida, and we're coming from our newest location here at 1443 Banks Road. We moved a couple doors down, 3 doors down, by the way. And why did we do that? Well, with a little nicer showroom, but most important, we have double the storage in the back for working on the vehicles. So what do we have today? Well, we got that new Raptor Ranger by Ford, and boy, is that a good looking truck. And we put on a couple things. We put 2 things on there. Now, by the way, all the things I'm gonna show you, we're going to have a link at the bottom of the page. So if you want to see what the cover is, price point, or the deck system, or any of that stuff, you can go check it out in the bottom of this link. And by the way, if you do have questions, you can check our phone number there, or you can ask the video itself. So that being said, go ahead, buddy, swing around here. Let's take a good look on how this looks, because, you know, function and looks, they do go hand in hand. You want to work good, but you want to look good. Now, one thing you'll notice, it is a low profile cover. It sits really low. And it does have a T-slot. This, again, is the Bak Revolver X4Ts, referring to the T-slot. Now, if you notice, the T-slot in this is actually very low profile. Looks really good with this cover here. Now, the Revolver does come with a 5-year manufacturer, which is really good. But if we install it like we did today, that 5-year is 10 years. We also put 1-year labor on, 1-year labor guarantee on our installation. So you got 10 years on parts, 1 year on labor. And I tell you, with the T-slots, if you look behind me, you can add an elevate system here. You can add all kinds of tie downs. All that stuff can be added to this cover once you have T-slots. So let's go here, and I'm going to talk about the cover first, and there's a deck system here. We'll talk about that afterwards. All right, first thing first, it does have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, let's say you're on the highway, you pull off this side road, you got the traffic on this side. You might want to swing on the other side to open your cover. Now, if you look here, you'll see the seal here. And it's got a big fat seal. Now, that seal does a great job of keeping the water out. Now, is it going to keep every drop of water out? No, it is not a waterproof cover. It is a water resistant. So keep that in mind. But they do a pretty good job with the seals on this, and it does keep the water out pretty good. So most people never seem to have too much of an issue with that. Now, if you look over, there's a little rubber thing here. That's where my hand is going. And the reason that's there for you, because the metal does get hot. It is a, aluminum on the bottom, and it's a TPO material on top, which, by the way, is UV protected. Now, when it's rolling all the way up, there's a little strap here, and you're going to basically, let's bring this over here. So I just want to pull out so you can see what I'm doing. It goes in there, you just turn it, and that locks into place. Now, if you notice, when it's locked in place, it does not cover your window, and it does not take up any space whatsoever in the bed. As you can see, because we do have a deck system in here, you need all the space in the bed to accommodate the deck system. So you can put stuff on here, and let's say you got stuff on top of the deck and you want to secure it. Well, with this T-slot, you can add these little tie downs there, and you can secure things right on top of the deck system. Really smart design. Let me go put that here. Now, before I go closing it, let's go ahead and look at the deck system itself. Now, online it does say this will not fit the Ranger with the flare fenders, but it does. As you can see, it actually fits very nice. If you want to get in with the camera, buddy, and look how tight fit that is from inside there. It actually fits like a glove. It really does. And I tell you, Deck makes a fine product. Now, I like Deck. We've been selling Deck systems for a very long time, and I think they're a great product. Again, pull this out here, and one thing you'll notice, it comes with 3 boxes here, which is really quite nice. I know before it was just 2, but you got 3 in this one. So let's go ahead and open one of those boxes up so you can see. Now, in the bigger vehicles, you're going to get 2 drawers, and the smaller one, 1 large drawer. And as you can see, this opens up and got a nice little seal in here. So if you take it out, it is pretty much weather resistant. They do a great job of sealing these up. Again, you get a little smaller one here. If you want to come over and take a look at that fellow there. And that's, again, great for tools. If you're doing an overlanding, whatever it might be using your vehicle for, this is really a wonderful setup. They even have, if you look over here, little measurements over here if you ever need any of that, especially if you're using it for work, that might come in handy. And there is some storage units on the side here, which I've remembered. If you can look over here, there's little ones in front, and there are little bigger ones in the back here. So get the camera over there if you can see it a little bit better. I don't know if you can. So, and again, it's all about getting organized. If you're using this for work, you can really get so organized, especially when you show up somewhere and people see, wow, this guy's got his act together. Look at all the stuff he's done here. It makes a really good impression. So, and again, if you're going camping, it's great to use. And you do have room between the cover and this, so you can put stuff in there as well. Of course, with the T-slots, you can put stuff on top of it as well. So let's go ahead and close this up here. Now this is a tight fit, so you're gonna have to put a little extra effort to close it. On the Rangers, they don't have as much adjustments for it, so usually you can go a little wider, a little skinnier. This one you really can't, so you have to kind of, let's see if I get that in there. There you go. So when you go push them down, you have to push them down evenly. Push one side down, the other side might not lock like it just did now, so kind of push them down nice and even, you'll be fine that way. As you can see, everything fits in here just perfect. It really does. Like this truck, love the products. And again, I'll put a link of this cover as well as the deck system at the bottom of this YouTube video. You're looking for pricing, it's all going to be there, everything you need to know. And again, you can also call us. A lot of times people will call us because they, like this customer here, he's like, he wasn't sure because the deck system said it wouldn't work with the truck. As you can see, it does work. We felt very comfortable. We actually called deck just to confirm it. As you can see, everything fits exactly the way it's supposed to be. Again, if you like this, we could ship it anywhere in the country, or come here, let us install it. We put a 1-year labor guarantee on this. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Revolver X4Ts by Bak Industries and a deck system on a Ford Raptor Ranger. And don't forget, like and subscribe.